Hello. There we go. There we go. Okay, we're back. Yeah, for whatever reason, microphone was not working there. So something else I want to take a look at. Sorry, we were looking at primarily the US 500. We're going to take a look at gold. So XAUUSD. So that's been dropping. Ah, I missed the short. I definitely think there's still something we can capitalize on here. Let's take a couple screenshots. We'll take one of the 4 hour. There we go. 4 hour being the biggest. We'll then drop into the 1. So now we have 4 separate images of gold on 4 different time frames. We're going to say something along the lines of, this is gold, analyze and provide entry and exit points based on these 4 time frames. So we'll see what we get here. I definitely think a big sort of short is coming. Now that is a lot of sort of downside potential that we would be able to catch if that was the case. I mean, even if it was to drop $10 or $12, that would still be quite a large return. Take an image of this. So this is the 5 minute. Should we change analysis? So using this software is very simple. As long as you update it in the current, what's happening in the market, making sure that you're showing and asking enough questions, you're really going to prompt the best sort of responses out of this chart. So we can go ahead and actually ask for a sort of confidence rating, which we're going to do. We're going to say concisely, on a scale of 1 to 10, how likely is this recommendation to work? Okay. So I think gold is definitely something we can start trading today. We're going to go to the US 500. So big leg upwards from the US 500. Let's go and analyze from multiple different perspectives. There we go. We're just going to attach all 4 of these. So analyze these images, provide me with market sentiment, entry and exit points, and whether we should take a sort of long or a short. So we will see. We'll see what we get here. So it's recently bounced off of a support. VS LRT shows positive momentum. Next resistance is around 5,600. Let's ask for a confidence rating. I think that sounds like a fairly sensible setup with a good risk to reward ratio. we can definitely think about taking this. Our price has already jumped up quite significantly. So we're going to take a buy, 100 contracts. So what about now? So US 500 is continuing on that uptrend. Definitely something I would have liked to catch, but we seem to be a minute too late. So we'll continue to monitor. Let's take a look at gold. US 500 on this uptrend. What about now? So we will, let's take a look at gold while this generates.
Introducing Gemini in Google Slides. AI that takes what you're...
Still recommending that we go long. We will ask for confidence rating before we go further. Sing for us. Why on earth would I sing? Why would I sing? Tell me, give me a reason why I would sing. Oh, we've just missed that entry point again. I'm really not on it. It was Justin. Justin C has disrupted my trading session. He's made me miss my entry points. This is good music. Can you hear the music? It's pretty sick. Right, we will be quick this time. We'll ask whether we should go long or short. You have nice singing voice. You spelt that sentence like a Dagestani. I'll tell you what, if I fail a trade today, I'll start freestyling. I won't sing, but I'll freestyle. Entry level, we've missed the entry level again. 5570. Still a bit of upside potential. We can enter. Oh, it just keeps driving higher. Just keeps driving higher and higher. There we go. Now we'll ask one more time, and then we're going to ask a very different question. We're going to ask a question that's going to allow us to find out the market sentiment for the day and trade based off of that. I think it's a very important question to ask to find the best type of sort of entry points. But we can go ahead and see. Still recommended we go long, take profit at 610. Let's enter. Just wait for it to drop to 96. There we go. Okay, take profit was 5610. Oh no, that's my stop loss. Pardon. Take profit 5610. Stop loss 5590. So good risk to reward ratio on that trade, and we want it to hit 610. Just above that sell block. Yeah, we'll continue to monitor that. Gold is definitely something I want to take a look at. Download the image. We'll go into the 15-minute and the 5-minute. So these images are different time frames for gold. Give me bearish or bullish. Okay, recommend entry and exit points based on that information. We'll see what we get here. Potentially we can find an entry and exit point. So the GPT predicts it will bounce back upwards to the 3000 zone. Again, good risk to reward ratio on this trade. Longer time frames indicate a strong bullish trend. Let's take an entry. Or just quickly we can ask for confidence. let's see. We'll go into a 15-minute, and we can just take an image. We'll say, what about now? How's everybody doing? Entry point 2985, 2995, and 3000. Stop loss of 298.80. Okay, fantastic. So let's look for an entry point for this gold trade. Let's add in our stop loss and take profit. So our stop loss was 2,900 and, oh no, sorry, that was our take profit. 2,995. Oh no. Okay. Oh, we put a buy, we put a sell in instead of a buy. Whoops. Okay, let's put a gold buy order in. Going to set our take profit as 3,000. Sorry, 2,995. We want our stop loss as 2,980. So very good risk to reward there. So we'll continue to monitor that as will we with the US 500 trade. See how US 500 is doing. Perhaps we could even take a look at euro to dollar, which we traded a bit yesterday. We can do with the same sort of analysis with euro to dollar here. Take a couple of images. So from the 4 hour to the 1 hour to 15 minutes and then 5 minutes. Okay. This is euro to dollar. Images provide entry and exit points. How does it predict the price so accurate? incredibly accurately. Um, it has a lot of historical data. It has a lot of real-time data. It takes into a lot of things into account. Of course, it will read the charts. It will be able to analyze the charts. It will be able to give us the most real-time data that is most applicable for our trades. So fantastic for entry and exit points as a sort of scalp trader. It really is a fantastic software to assist with trading. Consider entering a short position around $1.87. Okay. You can potentially think about taking a trade then. Let's go in with a short here on euro to dollar. So we'll add our take profits in. So our target was 1084. Our stop loss was
I don't eat any calamari, so I'm not paying for any
1092.
calamari. Well, I'd like 5 pieces. Ah, that's for crumpets, sweetheart.
Our relationship with money is formed from a young age. That's why we have budgeting and savings tools in the Barclays app to help you take control of your money today. Barclays. Make money work for you.
Go away advert. We have a fire emoji from Carlo. Let's have some fire emojis in the chat and let's get some fire emojis going. And we can take a look at a couple other. See how the US 500 is doing at the moment. Oh wow, big drop off here. Very big drop off. This is on the 5 minute. Let's go into the 1 minute. Wow. Something big has happened here. We have multiple fire emojis from Justin. Not just one fire emoji, but what was that? 7 fire emojis. Well done, Justin. Well done for putting the effort in. Get some fire emojis. Is this software available to the public? Yes, it is. So we have free trials available on our website. If this is something you want to use, definitely take a look at our website. Now, if this software is something you believe you can sort of leverage in real time, if this software is something you want to learn to be able to utilize, down below in whatever streaming software you're watching on, you should be able to sign up for a demonstration. This will put you into contact with a member of my team. They'll be able to guide you into using this software to its its fullest potential, and allowing you to really know how to properly utilize an AI software like this. So that demo usually takes around 20 minutes. Of course, you can schedule that at a time that works the best for you, and you can really start to make the most out of the AI software we have here. Let's see, big buy zone here. That is very bullish. This is the chart of the US 500. See what this gives us. Consider a short entry level. Let's go into 5 minute. ask the same question and see what it gives us. It's very good to go into different perspectives with the software, make sure it's able to take into account everything that's happening across different time frames, just to make sure it has the most updated information. Prices pushing higher and higher. $15-minute. Fantastic. been trading for 30 years, never seen anything like this. Gonna give it a go. Fantastic. Yeah, sign up for a demo down below and we will be more than glad to assist you with your trading. Absolutely. Let's make sure we have the information here. We're going to download this image. Let's go to the 1 hour. Download and the 5-minute finally. So once again, we're going to attach all 4 of these images. We're just going to ask what the GPT believes. So we're going to say this is the US 500 on 4 different time frames. Analyze these images and provide me with entry exit points. Consider entering a long position. I think we can go in with this. Take profit of 5 at 600. Let's do it. Going with a buy here. And let's analyze our portfolio here. So we need to add a take profit of 5,600. And a stop loss of 5,580. No, we don't want it quite at 5,580 right now. Let's go for 5,570. 2.5. Fantastic. So this gold trade that we're currently in, let's take a look at gold. Gold has had a big leg up here. It's fantastic. Wow. It's fantastic. Let's check the US 500. And finally, we will check euro to dollar, just see how it's sort of performing. So on a bit of an uptrend here, it's bouncing around between these sort of support levels. No. Fantastic. Now I think something we can take a look at would be, and we'll open gold up. We're going to take a look at some option trades, I think. So now would be a good time to analyze the options market, or maybe even the crypto market. So we're going to say, give me a list of potential altcoins we can invest in today for maximum ROI in 2 weeks. So some altcoins here that we will be able to potentially take a trade on. Gold is just pushing higher and higher. It's fantastic. So Binance coin, that will be an interesting one. We have IOTA, Ripple, Cubetics, Polkadot, Mantra, Sui. So some good recommendations here. So let's see what BNB coin is doing. Introducing native smart contract wallets and gasless transactions. Wow, that's interesting. IOTA rebased upgrade, introducing a new model and staking yields of 10 to 15%. Fantastic. Ripple, we have a potential resolution of the SEC lawsuit and approval of a spot XRP ETF. Okay. Let's take a look at maybe Binance coin. So we'll say, give me some information. Actually, we'll take IOTA. I think IOTA is a little bit more unique. We can definitely take a look at what they are, because I've never really heard of them. On the crypto coin IOTA, we can have a look at their website as well to see what they sort of offer. So some key developments here. A 0.24% unlock of IOTA's total supply was scheduled for around 10 days ago. So a small amount of the total supply, it did temporarily increase market liquidity and influence short-term price volatility. So a rebase upgrade with some smart contracts, staking, IOTA gas station. Oh, these adverts. Gold is in a great spot here. Market sentiment, fantastic. Let's take a look at their website. Built to make a difference, a decentralized blockchain infrastructure to build and secure our digital world. Okay, so promising. They have their own wallets, they have tooling, tokenization, identity, quite a lot here on offer. Digital platform built on IOTA that enables global supply chains to share data instantly and securely. Cyberperp, Deeper, and Magic Sea. Some companies they have collaborated with. Fantastic. Take a look at IOTA's official channels for staking announcements and upgrade timelines. So we can potentially take a look at another one. Mantra is not one I've really heard of much. So we can say, give me some information on the crypto coin Mantra. We'll have a look at this. Gold certainly is pushing up here. So Mantra, a real-world asset tokenization focus, a level 1 blockchain specializing in RWA tokenization, has gained traction as interest shifts from AI-driven trends to RWA accumulation. Fantastic. Okay. Long-term outlook. Mantra's focus on RWA tokenization positions it to capitalize on the growing RWA market, projected to reach 10.9 trillion by 2030. Let's take a look at their website maybe. Mantra Crypto. Mantra Chain, bringing the world's financial ecosystem on-chain. Permissionless chain for permissioned applications. That sounds very interesting. Guard module, counterparties. Interesting. Let's take a look at how they're trading. Currently the 23rd largest crypto coin in the market. Up all time. Okay, fantastic. So they really have exploded recently. Very recently indeed, yeah. They went to about $8 off of a ridiculous amount of money. So these are the type of coins we're trying to find. These type of coins they released a couple years ago, trading at prices that are ridiculously small, and then launch upwards to around $8. That is amazing. It really is. Something else I want to find out more about is a coin that I love the sound of by the name of Solve Protocol. By no means are we affiliated with them. Let's ask, give me information on Solve Protocol. So this is just a coin that I've kept my eyes on recently. Now, of course, they do sound quite similar to our company Solvent.Life, but yeah, we are not affiliated in any way, shape, or form. I've been waiting for the price to drop before I start DCAing into this coin, but I definitely think it is a contender for something that's going to blow up in the next couple of years. Soninium. Backed by Sony. That's interesting. So Sony have their own coin. Let's take a look at Solve Protocol, and I want to have a look at Sonium or whatever it's called. Did not know that. So this is Solve Protocol, the coin itself. What we can take a look at is how they're actually trading. Okay, so a bit of movement upwards, but this is on a 1-day chart. They dropped from 5 cents to 4. Was a bit of a move upwards here. So I'm waiting for the perfect sort of opportunity to buy here. 29 cents definitely sounds very attractive. Currently at 44. So the lowest they ever were 28 cents as of the 14th of March, and that was on January 17th. See which will you represent as Turkey's representative. Okay, something I want to take a look at is that coin that was mentioned by Sonium. I've never heard of this, so let's take a look. Is this a real thing? Inspiring emotion and unleashing creativity. Okay, so the website moves with your mouse. It's quite interesting. Oh wow. Ecosystem overview. So this is quite a lot of things right here. Sonium. Partners, that is a lot. Sony Block Solution Labs. Is Sony legit? Fair enough they are. Let's see how they're trading at the moment. Okay, so they are affiliated with Solve Protocol. How would you go about purchasing Sonium? Not sure. Something we will have to do a bit more research into. Let's take a look at how gold is moving. So on a little bit of a downtrend here. We'll see how this proceeds. Let's see what the US 500 is doing. There was a big drop earlier. Very interesting. Let's see what we can do with this. Let's see what we are able to do in terms of the trades. Let's go start analyzing. Let's take a couple images. Fantastic. Gonna open these. This is the chart of the US 500 right now. Analyze these images, provide me with entry and exit points. Okay.
I love Monday.com.
What's Monday.com?
You don't know Monday.com? This is Monday.com.
So it's recommended that we short entry level around 5,580, take profit 5,560, stop loss 5,590. Fantastic. Just going to ask for confidence. We've just missed the move. Currently $7 below our recommended entry point. What about now? Definitely think about entering here. US 500 into with a sell. Let's go to our portfolio. So we need to change the take profit to 5,560. We want our stop loss to be 5,590. Fantastic. Let's go into maybe some option trades. So ask for some undervalued stocks that potentially we could have a look into, do some research, maybe invest, maybe put some trades in. Music. So we have a list here. The first of which is Dollar Tree with a price to earnings of 11, which isn't terrible. First Solar, which has a price to earnings of 7, which isn't fantastic, especially for US markets. Then Charter Communications. Okay, let's take a look at Dollar Tree perhaps. What's the ticker? DLTR. Currently about $65. We're going to skip into the 4 hour. Wow, so they were once valued, and only in 2022 they were valued at about $180. Now they're about 3 times lower than that currently, after taking a huge crash, huge dump off since this day last year. They crashed essentially. That is a massive dump off. Give me, let's see. Give me a trade for DLTR. We'll see what we get here. It's telling us to wait, essentially. Let's go into maybe a 15 minute here. Just take an image of this. We'll say, what about now? Cautious buy. Let's just double check how US 500 is performing. Interesting. Okay. Let's maybe take a look at some penny stocks. Give me a list of penny stocks we can trade with high activity as of recent. So some picks here with quite a lot of activity, the majority of which are from Asian markets. Let's take a look at some of them here. Okay. ITEL. So Interlink Telecom here. Currently trading about $1.43. So once valued at around $7. So very interesting penny stock here. Not as much activity as I would hope for. Let's take a look at another one. So Mingfei International Holdings, and see if this is even on TradingView. Mingfei International. Holdings. Three eight two. There we go. Just had to search up the Hong Kong ticker. Let's go into the 4 hour. It's currently trading about 95 cents after a huge jump upwards. Historically, they've been valued at quite a lot higher, about $1.50, but they're currently trading around the 95 cents mark. That's very bullish, as we can see in the indicator we have down below. A huge jump upwards here, so definitely very interesting. So we'll continue to have a look at maybe one more. China Sunshine Chemical Holdings. The ticker is QES. Okay, about 48 cents as of current. What have they typically traded at? About 60 cents, 55. Well, they've only been around on publicly traded exchanges since 2020, or just before that. Very interesting. Lowest they've been valued at is around 27 cents. And finally, let's have a look at Jiangsheng Pharmaceutical Group. So that is 002872. So about $4. However, they have been valued at $6 at one point in time, even as high as, oh wow. So at one point in time valued at $35. Publicly sort of listing as 19, skyrocketed upwards. Now why does it do this? Save bulkers. Okay. Now this one sounds strange. Playmates Toys. Let's have a look at this. And that is 8869. I have no idea what this company is. What is this? Is this even the right ticker? This is it. Let's ask for some information. Give me some information on Playmates Toys 869. See what this company is about. Historically valued at just under a cent. Sorry, just under $1. Oh no, they have been valued at $5 in one point in time. We have an advert here. Go away. So this is interesting. Low profit expectations, limited analyst coverage, market volatility is low. Holds licenses for popular franchises like Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Godzilla vs. Kong. Okay, it's very interesting. Low float, CAPS. Oh well, this is very interesting. Let's take a look at this. What is this? This just launched. What is this? So, valued about $4, they've been continually crashing. Never really seen something like this. see. Let's jump into 1 minute, see if we'll get more of a picture here. 6th of March. This is very interesting. This is an interesting find. I'll share with you one of my favorites. It's a ticker called DRUG, and this thing shoots up and down. Bright Minds Biosciences, the ticker is drug DRUG. It's one of my favorite tickers, just because of how ridiculous it jumps around. It does make me laugh when I see the chart of drug. Launched in 2022 at about $44. It went to about 87 cents and then shot to $80. It's an interesting one for sure. Of course, I found this with the GPT, something I've been looking at for a while. And I'd love to find more sort of quotes. Go away, advert. More sort of tickers like this, I think, would be very interesting. I like looking at these almost crypto-like stocks. They do interest me. I think we're probably going to end the stream right about now. We've had a quite a long stream today. I am looking forward to start streaming on Monday, put some proper trades in, and make sure that we hit all of our sort of targets. But yeah, for now, I think thank you everyone for joining, and I look forward to speaking to you and seeing you on Monday. So yeah, thank you everybody, and see you soon.